Just doing the all too common task of the breather covers on my M113 here, and I came to a shocking discovery. No idea what the hell has happened there, but there's a groove in the cam lobe as well. It's very difficult to see, but the hardened coating has been eaten through and that camshaft is ruined. And that roller, why does it look like the surface of the moon? I'm close to saying this engine's a boat anchor, and this is the excuse I need to do an engine transplant. I did want to keep this original, but I don't know, is that really a reason to write the whole engine off, send it to the dump? Probably a bit over the top. I'll have to think about it. In any case, just going to continue with the breather covers. That is an unpleasant job, which I don't want to have to do again in a hurry. Whoever designed this setup definitely needs a kick in the backside, because this is just a nightmare. All of these fine grooves where the sealant has gone, it's just a pain in the butt to clean out. It's taken me half the day. I don't like this job, and I'd hate to do this for a living. This is the side of the engine that has the lifter tick, and all of these rollers look perfect. Isn't that always the way? The noise comes from the good side, and you wouldn't even know that the other side has a serious problem. And it's silent, basically. So it certainly pays to take the covers off occasionally and have a look in here on these engines. One thing interesting about this engine we've noticed, I think this is a casualty of not enough use and a lot of cold starts and not getting up to temperature, because I think that ruined roller and camshaft might be because of rust. I have seen some rust on some other cam lobes. So low mileage isn't necessarily a good thing if it's done lots of cold starts and not actually getting up to temperature.